Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates.
Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. I'm riding this. This is the Suzuki Shogun, which happens to be from the 90s. Now this motorcycle belongs to Tarun, so a big thumbs up to him for giving me this particular old motorcycle. Now the tire size is very weird, they did not put proper numbers, so I had to Google and translate. So the front happens to be a 70 mm and it is an 18 inch. You can see the tires are like chintu mintu for fuel efficiency, of course. No disc brakes at the front, never in older motorcycles, because they were like पैसा कम करते हैं बाइक का और उसको ज़्यादा बेचते हैं लेकिन ब्रेक्स ही निकाल देते हैं. And this sort of a treatment is kind of weird because ये थोड़ा फट चुका है. But the bike has been completely restored, very good mechanically. Says Suzuki here. Now square lights, square indicators, all that, the usual bits. Coming to the rear, I need to talk about the tire size before I forget it. It's a 82.55 mm and this is actually an 16 incher. Yeah, so 18 at the front, 16 at the rear, dual shocks, and the exhaust is kind of different because it has this gunmetal treatment. Actually, that is, I think, the oil or something. This is obviously a two-stroke. Says Shogun here. High sprint gear, and you put a key here to actually open the seat as well. Grab handles, of course, and okay, they have differentiated the front and the pillion seat, rider and pillion seat. From the side, it's kind of chintu mintu. They also had another motorcycle from Suzuki, I think Suzuki Samurai, which was lower in terms of capacity. That was a success. This was a failure. This is a 108cc, I think, and it is a two-stroke. It is air-cooled, and this is where the Kickstarter is of this bike. There's a proper crash guard as well. Handlebar lock is there. All these old motorcycles had everything exposed. Now this used to compete with, I think, the Yamaha RX 135. This one uses a 4-speed gearbox. Similar light design and shape when compared to what is at the front, similar to at the rear as well. And there's a reflector. You can see the tire is like chintu mintu. And from the other side, again, it looks same. But this panel can be opened. Tank is, I think, 12 liters here. Chrome finishing here around the rear shocks, of course. Have a chain guard as well. Says Suzuki here on the engine, and the instrument cluster is actually quite nice, easy to read. You get an odometer, speedometer, and you also get a tachometer. Okay, ये तो हिल रहा है. ऐसे उंगली करो तो हिलता है. By the way, this tachometer is something which you don't see on 110cc motorcycles, but this one had it. Meanwhile, these are the controls for the lights, and this is for the indicator. I think you have button for the choke somewhere here inside. Yeah, this is for the choke, of course. Clutch is not that bad as such, and this is for the क्या बोलते हैं जो rear view mirror है थोड़ी wide है, which is actually a good touch. This is what is this, Faisal? Again, I think that's for the light. So a lot of these things for the light. Now to turn on this bike is very easy. Check this out. Okay, with one leg, obviously you kick with one leg only, Faisal. What are you talking? I'm going to try and turn it on. एक काम करते हैं, बैठ के करते हैं ताकि बाइक अगर थोड़ी हिल भी गई इधर उधर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. या हियर वी गो. साइड स्टैंड इंडिकेटर ऑन होगा, इसलिए निकाल दो स्टैंड से. आई एम किडिंग, देयर इज नो साइड स्टैंड हियर, नो साइड स्टैंड इंडिकेटर. पूरा वाइब्रेशन आ रहा है सीट पे, बट आराम से ऑन हो जाती है. और स्टॉप स्टार्ट सिस्टम में तो ऑफ भी हो जाती है. यहाँ पे टेल लाइट्स है. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइडिंग.
चलो लेट्स गेट गोइंग स्ट्रेट अवे. आ जाते हैं फर्स्ट गियर में, बिकॉज इट्स 1 down 4 up एंड माई गुडनेस. ये अंदर डालते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, किक स्टार्टर. सो ओ माई गॉड, द फ्रंट एंड इज सो लाइट. माई गुडनेस, इट्स two-stroke is absolute madness. So basically this is क्या आवाज है, ये क्यों निकल रहा है यहाँ पे. So basically it's 4 down actually, 4 down. That is how it is. So एक काम करते हैं, सेकंड में आ जाते हैं. Gearbox is very cranky as such. So we are okay. Let's do one thing. Let's just stop here. Brakes are surprisingly strong. We are into फर्स्ट गियर, रेविंग द मोटर एंड ऑफ वी गो. ये न्यूट्रल में आ गई है बेटा. हाँ, अभी आ गई फर्स्ट में, ऑफ वी गो. Performance is absolutely crazy. The Suzuki Shogun's engine is quite refined for a two-stroke motor, but performance is really crazy. So basically it's a 4 down. So when you want to downshift, you have to go upwards to the gearbox. वो थोड़ा मतलब you have to get used to all that. The good thing is that engine is really punchy. It has a lot of grunt. 110cc, 14 horsepower, 11.4 Newton meters of torque, which is quite a bit. And अभी you know what, downshift करोगे तो ही मजा आएगा. It picks up pace like crazy, trust me. It picks up pace like crazy. Ride is okay. Bike is very light. 114 kgs is the weight, and handling is also nice because you can really chuck it right, left and center like such a... Tachometer is going all over the place. That is how it is. In fact, you want to take a U-turn, no problem. Faisal, up. You know, not used to all this, but you know what? Here, taking a U-turn with so much ease as well. Now I'm going to come into first gear. We are in neutral right now. Neutral की light आ गई थी. अभी first में आ गया. Now we go. I'm seeing this at 14,000 RPM. वहीं पे अटक गया. It is atcode at 14,000 RPM. My goodness, it's absolutely crazy. Gearbox would be more slicker in shifting, but this is on 14,000 RPM. The sound of a two-stroke motorcycle, unmatched and unbeatable. Unfortunately, this bike completely failed. It did not sell only because, you know, क्या गलती होगी इन लोगों से? I think pricing, fuel efficiency, यहाँ पे ये लोग मार खा गए. That's it. Very nice, fun motorcycle to ride. Tachometer की मैंने आज बैंड बजा दी है. 14,000 RPM पे अटक चुका है. And on that disappointment, time to end. I know I'm not able to ride it properly because मेरा माइंड है ना पूरा मैस हो गया आज. रॉयल एनफील्ड चला के ना मुझे लग रहा है राइट साइड में वो है गियर जबकि वहाँ पे ब्रेक है, और जब तुम ब्रेक तेज मारो तो क्या होता है? डेंजर होता है, डेंजर. चलो लेट्स स्टॉप. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. जस्ट स्टॉप दिस बाइक हियर. बाय बाय.